Thanks for joining in once again. It's that time. Those of you that's watched some videos in the past of me unloading a 26-foot truck full of sewing machines, vintage sewing machines, tables, and parts. I'm at it again. We're gonna unload that truck. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I got some help today, so here we go. You're gonna love it. An empty table. Yep. Just flip it up on top over there. Box of sewing parts. Might seem like I'm in fast motion, but it's 4 o'clock and I like to get done maybe by 9 o'clock today. Trust me, with 2 people it's going to be hard. And maybe we just keep one of the tables out here, and then we won't have to bend over for that stuff. So I'm taking it halfway and my helper's going to take it the rest of the way. Free Westinghouse. Can you see that? Beautiful machine. What 5/8 1750. You'll know as soon as you pick them up. Drawer. Owner's Workbook, Memory Craft 8000, all for sale. Fake light foot pedal for $221 or Singer 201. Beautiful condition too, I hope it works. On here, we're not wasting our back. Viking manual, some kind of bed for a singer. Where the parts are laid. One of these things. No, just put it inside there. This is an Elna. Woo, it looks pretty. What is it? Got to be a name somewhere. An Elna 3005. That's how advanced it is. Whoa! So that's where the... Okay. No, I see. Wow! Look at all the buttons. Holy cow! Custom Arnold Viking #1. And a big foot pedal. 1591, got the motor. Woohoo! Plastic on it, that must be good. That one goes over well. I should put a cable to that side too. Normally I don't take these off, but it's wet. Singer in a Bentley case, 99. Sweet, another 99. I got me.
I was gonna say, just let you start on late one, just to dig out. But, all right,
All we need to do is get them from point A to point B today. That's all. That's a whole nother day, brother. Anybody ever seen a Chinese singer? You can do this with a Chinese singer. Ha ha! It's very light. Chinese all the way.
Yeehaw!
A Singer 127. Missing the front plate. They fall right out. As soon as you drop it, they just...
Any treasures?
Check this out, I got help. Can you pull that rubber mat and just kind of put it to the side? Yep. Pull that rubber mat and just put it off to the side there, brother. And I'm going to help you get it to the cement. And then from there, you're on your own. You roll it to the best spot you think best. We can even actually get it over the threshold if you want to go that far. Okay, cool. $10 an hour cash. He's a good worker. I need like 3 of them like him. You ever seen them so white and you wonder why are they so white? They're brand new. You ever see a brand new case? That's what $30 will buy you. Plus shipping. Come pick them up, no shipping charge. They're pretty light though. 7 pounds, it'll be based on 7 pounds. Have that table, we're gonna keep one here. Too. Yeah, one there and we'll keep one here too. So next week, yeah. So see stuff on this table goes to that room. And you know where the cases are? Yeah, you know the cases?
Yep.
Yep. First 5 people that message me, $30. There's 5 of them. Monkey Wars, Montgomery Wars. Oop. I'm going to set this one right here because I might start putting parts there where you can pick them up.
Traffic on 96 eastbound from Weberville to Fountainville.
Right there.
69 east and westbound between Woodbury and M52 and 127
Foot
northbound
pedals.
from 69 up to Price Road. Report extra accidents to the traffic tip line at 882-1389.
A
Look at your traffic on Kristen Matthews.
memory craft. 8,000. Yes! I think I got one of these are good. And I got 2 of them that are parts machines. I can't tell. Can you see me? Yeah, probably. Showroom. Oh, a memory craft, 8,000. I think this is one of the parts ones. She was telling me there's one good one and 2 parts ones.
What if you could be done with shaving forever? What if you could always be smooth, sexy, and ready? Now
part.
Say goodbye to unwanted hair with permanent results at Milan Laser Hair Removal. Milan Laser
Empty chairs, Kenmore case, probably a 148, 158 series.
are safe, fast, and permanent. And every package comes with a lifetime warranty, which means you'll never shave again.
Oh
Milan
my
lasers
goodness.
are FDA
I didn't even know I had this.
professionals perform all kinds of treatments on men and women of all skin types. Milan Laser is the largest laser hair removal company in the nation that exclusively offers laser hair removal. Get some Milan Laser and take advantage of up to 60% off now to the end of the month. Call now for your free consult at 833-NO-RAZOR. That's 833-NO-RAZOR. Or check them out online at MilanLaser.com. Milan Laser Hair Removal. Never shave again.
Singer Rocketeer. Brand new Singer featherweight case. Hey, they did a pretty good job, I had to say. $100. Let's knock it down to 80 bucks. $80. Beautiful case. And if you want to be cool, be like the pizza man with the sewing machine. That's what I never. It's a soft case. Hey, I might keep this. This looks like a tackle bag. Okay. Anybody wanted one of these with a broken pull tab that I just broke? Looks like it's well built, but the zipper just broke on me. The case, soft case.
And can be deadly. The best way to protect yourself is by getting vaccinated. So talk with your doctor about getting the hepatitis A vaccine. Because this disease is very contagious, wash your hands often and don't share.
A Viking sewing manuals, 6,000, and I think it's a 6,000 foot pedal. Man, who packed this box? Oh, I think it was me. I hope you don't bust. The bottom got a little soft. Oh, that's parts. Need your help with this one. You rather walk backwards or forwards, or does it matter? Let's take it right on in. We're not stopping. Mystery machine.
Perfect temperature. How can I tell just based on the sound?
Okay.
I can't. But I can see that the mountain on the can is blue. And when the mountain is blue, your Coors Light is perfectly cold. Coors Light is cold-lagered for crisper taste, cold filtered for brightness and clarity, and cold packaged for refreshment. Doesn't that sound good? 2019 Coors Light. Golden, Colorado. Celebrate responsibly.
It's time for some straight talk. School's starting, so I'm going to drop some phone knowledge on you.
I don't know what machine was in there. Let's just say it was a heavy one.
LTE networks the big guys offer
Next to our, we got a Singer treadle. Next, it might be a Chinese treadle. We'll see. White BS, something 1 or 2, I'm not sure. I know it's the wrong way. Ready? Look, I've seen them pull right out of the screw. All we gotta do is get over the you need to roll pretty good. If I had sidewalk, we could roll it all the way. They are. Oh my goodness. That's a big jump. From 1 foot, we successfully are about 6 or 7 feet into the truck. That was the easy 6 or 7 feet. We got about 9 more minutes. We're gonna try to get it to